The medication that a doctor subscribes ensures timely recovery of your family member and prevents his or her readmission to the hospital. For each medication, the doctor or nurse will give you instructions on 3 things. First, how many pills to take each day. Second, when during the day to take them. And third, for how long to take them. The prescription will remind you of these instructions. The medication bottle label will indicate the number of pills in the bottle. Remember to follow the doctor's instructions completely.
Rajesh, did you eat your medicines?
No, I'll take it now.
Don't delay it. You will not recover completely without timely intake of medicines.
Why so many?
You have to take them for a reason. Each medicine works to help you recover faster.
When do I take this?
Take it now, after dinner. The prescription mentions the time and number of tablets each day. Some are for a week and others are for lifetime. First, identify the medicine and then find out how many you need to take each time. It is all mentioned in the prescriptions.
How much of this tablet should I take?
Take half of this now and the other half tomorrow night.
This one's thrice a day, right?
Yes, but take this before eating your food. Yes, but take this before eating your food. Unlike some others, which you will have to take post-eating. Follow all the instructions in the prescription properly so that you recover completely. Yours is a serious condition, remember.
For each medication's instructions, what are the 3 things to remember? First, how many pills to take each day. Second, when during the day to take the pills. And finally, for how long to take them. Next, there are 4 important aspects to taking medications. First, taking medications should become a habit, similar to having breakfast or bathing every day. Second, even if your family member forgets to take his or her medications, never take more than the amount prescribed by the doctor. Taking more than the amount prescribed by the doctor can be very dangerous.
Anand, I forgot to take this tablet yesterday. Can I take 2 today?
No, don't ever do that. That can be dangerous. It's alright if you forget once, but never take 2 in place of 1. Take the medicines properly from now on.
If your family member feels better, he or she still needs to take the medications for the entire duration prescribed. Otherwise, your patient might get worse.
I have been cured and the pills are also over. So can I stop taking the pills?
No, you'll have to follow the doctor's timeline. If not, your health will deteriorate. Let's immediately get a refill of the tablets. If the pills are over, you need to get a refill from the pharmacist and continue taking the medication according to the doctor's instructions. What are the 4 important aspects to medication management? Taking medications should become a habit. Second, never take more than the amount prescribed by your doctor. Third, if your family member feels better, he or she still needs to take the medication for the entire duration that the doctor prescribes. And lastly, if the pills are over, you need to get a refill from the pharmacist and continue taking the medication according to the doctor's instructions.